So of course, I make an Instacart tutorial about how to get yourself an Instacart pin for purchasing, and Instacart goes ahead and changes it up on me the format, so now I gotta make a new tutorial video. If you're an Instacart shopper, you did receive this email that I also did. It says, "Hi Ashley, we're switching up the unique pins for Instacart payment cards starting in September. When this change launches in your region, you'll no longer see the same PIN for every batch that requires a debit card payment." So previously, when you used to do an Instacart purchase, what would happen is you could go into the app, just like I showed inside the tutorial, and see the PIN. It's the same for every one of us shoppers. Now it's going to be, instead, you'll see a unique PIN to enter at checkout. If you enter the incorrect PIN, the transaction will be declined. So if we look at this screenshot, they're showing that there's an Instacart shopper doing some shopping and they're at checkout. The difference with the new transaction is where you see debit, it's going to show the PIN and it's going to be a different PIN every time. So no longer the same existing PIN that all of our shoppers used to use, and I'm sure that's for privacy and security. So what's going to happen though is you have to remember to check the app and see whether you select debit or credit when you pay with your Instacart card. Now, the difference for me is when I'm doing my Instacart shopping, for me, it's normally always credit. Now, here's the thing. Today is September the 9th. As of right now, has this updated method been put in my region? No. I did an Instacart order 2 days ago, and it was still the same old PIN, and this new process has not come up. Now, because this is based on region and I'm located in Montreal, Quebec, this method might not be updated for you right now. But keep a lookout that if you don't see the original PIN that you used to do, so let's say you enter it and it doesn't work, keep a lookout to see if you see PIN and it tells you a brand new numeric PIN. It's gonna change every time. Security is being stepped up when it comes to Instacart, but this is the new updated version, and I hope Instacart does not change this again so I don't have to make another quick tutorial. But hey, it's a quick one, and I'll catch you lovelies in the next video.